How to clear paper jams in the HP PageWide XL series printers. In this video, we'll show you how to clear common paper jams in the HP PageWide XL printer series. When the printer detects a jam, it will attempt to resolve the issue automatically. If it cannot, it will stop and display an alert. You'll then need to intervene and fix the problem manually. The process begins when the front panel displays an alert about an issue and starts the paper jam wizard. Follow the on-screen instructions to clear the paper jam. When you've removed all paper, tap the Check button to see if the problem has been successfully fixed. Paper jams, depending on the location, may need some investigation to successfully clear and resume printing. When resolving a paper jam, when loading from the input tray, the front panel will recommend removing the paper from the front or the back of the printer. When removing a paper jam in the cut sheet or rigid input tray, you need to open the tray in the printing position and pull out the paper carefully. Ensure that there are no loose pieces of paper left and close the input tray. Move the slider button to the left to unlock the front cover and lock the input tray. Then open the front cover door to check that there are no loose pieces of paper left behind. If there's paper that needs to be cut, you should use scissors to cut rigid sheet. Never use a cutter to cut the sheet. Once you've made sure there are no loose pieces of paper left behind, close the front cover. Move the slider back to lock the front cover to enable the input tray. Now, open the input tray and push it back into the printing position. Wait until the printer is ready, confirming that the jam has been removed, and resume printing with another sheet of paper. Now, let's take a look at paper jams in output door. Pull out any paper that you see in the print zone. Make sure there are no loose pieces of paper, and close the output door. If a paper jam has occurred in the drawers, open the corresponding drawers as indicated on the front panel. You'll need to open the front cover of the drawer. Now, move the cutter to the right-hand side unless it's there already. Remove the paper, cutting it manually if necessary, while making sure there are no pieces left. Next, close the front cover. Rewind the paper back onto the spindle. Wait for the front panel to confirm that the paper jam has been cleared. By following these steps, you can correctly clear any paper jams in your PageWide XL series printer.